Hello, welcome to Togatech. In today's program we'll be fitting an external Mosfet to my Anycubic i3 Mega 3D printer. This is part 2 of a series, so if you haven't seen part 1, please check it out. I will be leaving a link to all the products, including the tools, in the description below. And if you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave them. Also, I would much appreciate if you enjoy this video to like and subscribe. Well, let's get on with the repair. Though the external Mosfet can be fitted externally, I wanted to fit it internally so it was safer and neater. Using 4 M4 12mm bolts, fix the Mosfet in a convenient position inside the printer's casing. Using 2-part epoxy, fix the bolts in place. Using low voltage multi-strand cable like this one, make a lead and fit it with suitable terminals like these. Please ensure that this cable is rated for 12 amps or above. As this twin cable is all white, I have marked the positive lead with a red marker pen for identification. Connect the wires as shown here. The new cable connects from the 12-volt power supply to the DC in. Remove the existing cables from the heated bed to the control board and attach them to the heat bed terminals on the Mosfet board. Then attach the thin white wires from the Mosfet board, these are the sensor wires, to the heat bed terminals on the printer control board. All that's left to do now is put the printer back together and test. it.